We are going to review top 5 best cabinet towers. Let's get started. List number 1. Ameriwood Home Farmington. The Ameriwood Home Farmington, around $299, is part of a collection of rustic-looking storage furniture, making it a great choice if you want to coordinate it with complementary pieces. Its door is sturdily constructed with 3 hinges and diagonal braceboards. Comes in 4 colors. Tall at almost 6 feet. 20-pound weight capacity for each shelf. Finished in a rustic black wood grain, this laminated particle board and MDF cabinet is perfect for any rustic, cottage, shabby chic or casual spaces. Behind the single door is shelving storage. 4 shelves, 2 adjustable, to keep items organized from office supplies and clothing to non-perishable foods and extra linens. List number 2. Sauder Peppercorn. The upper tiers of the Sauder Peppercorn, Apex, $118, can be moved several steps up or down, and the X-shaped towel divider that rests between them can be taken out. Its cupboard is constructed with elaborate hidden hinges that help it shut softly. Relatively inexpensive. 5-year limited warranty. Cinnamon cherry exterior. Open shelving features cubbyhole divider for towel storage. Adjustable shelf behind frame and panel door with beadboard insert. Reversible door opens left or right. Engineered wood. Assembled dimensions, L, 14.72 inches XW, 15.51 inches XH, 60.59 inches. List number 3. Spirich Freestanding. Although the shelves inside the lower half of the Spirich Freestanding, about $113, can be adjusted or removed, the open tiers above them are fixed in place. The model features a serious anti-tipping mechanism that is built into its back. Satisfaction guarantee. Part of the matching bathroom set. Shallow at less than a foot deep. This tall bathroom cabinet made of laminated MDF and decorative beadboard paneling and nickel drawer pull adds style and charm to this multi-purpose tall bathroom cabinet. The linen cabinet allows you to hide toiletries and other bathroom items behind cabinet doors, or you can display plush towels and elegant candles for a spa-like retreat. List number 4. Winsome Wood Alps. At a little under 6 feet tall, the Winsome Wood Alps, Apex, $148, has 4 distinct storage areas, including closed compartments and an open cubby hole. Its topmost cupboard has a glass door, so everything you place inside it will be on display. Polished metal hardware. Interior shelves are adjustable. Glides and drawer are pour. Alps cabinet is a perfect additional to your kitchen or dining room. Plenty of storage space with top section featured glass door opens, 1 adjustable shelf to show your china. Storage size 14 inches wide x 11D x 23 inches high. Perfect storage for a tight corner and space. Tall decorative storage. List number 5. Homco Slim Side. For added stability, the Homco Slim Side, Apex, $129, is designed with a sturdy metal strap that will allow you to anchor it firmly to walls. Both of its doors rest on durable metal hinges and stay securely shut with magnetic catches. 1 7-inch tall drawer. Attractive vertical shiplap exterior. Doesn't have any open shelves. The linen storage cabinet has 2 large compartments and 1 drawer. You can put usual toiletries and basic skincare products in the glass door, making it clear at a glance. Also, you can put spare toothpaste, soap and other items into the drawer or bottom door. As a space-saving cabinet,